Hey, what's going on guys? My name's Jed Dobre. Here's 10 simple camera hacks to help stabilize your footage. Let's go.
To keep my mind and my head straight. I've been feeling as of late that all I wanna do is go out somewhere new. As long as I'm with you, I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to, just wanna be alone with you.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Jed Dobre. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I really hope you got something out of this and that you might be able to implement these hacks into your own workflow down the line. If you do, tag me on Instagram. Here's my handle up here. I'd be super keen to check these out and see what you've been able to achieve with them. If not, let me know down in the comments below what you did or did not like, or if there's anything else that you'd like to learn, because I'm going to be making plenty more videos very shortly. So give this one a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.